Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that has intrigued many for decades: the biology of gray aliens. Now, you might be thinking, gray aliens? You mean those beings from sci-fi movies and conspiracy theories? Yes, exactly those. But before you dismiss this as mere fantasy, let's explore some theories that scientists and researchers have proposed about these enigmatic beings. Gray aliens, often depicted in popular culture as small, humanoid beings with gray skin and large black eyes, have been the subject of numerous close encounter and abduction claims. While their existence is a topic of debate, the theories about their biology are incredibly intriguing and offer a unique perspective on life beyond Earth. But before we get into it, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you want to get notified every time I upload a new video, click the bell icon as well. It really helps me out and I appreciate it a lot. Alright, let's get started. Alright, let's start with the basics. When we talk about gray aliens, we're referring to a specific type of extraterrestrial being that's commonly depicted in popular culture. You've probably seen them in movies or TV shows. Small, humanoid creatures with smooth gray skin, enlarged heads, and large black eyes. Sounds familiar, right? These descriptions aren't just the product of Hollywood's imagination, though. Many people who claim to have had close encounters or abductions by aliens describe very similar beings. These testimonies have contributed to the popular image of gray aliens and have sparked numerous theories about their biology. One of the most striking features of gray aliens is their skin. It's often described as being smooth and gray, hence the name. Some theories suggest that this could be an adaptation to their environment, or perhaps a result of their diet or lifestyle. Their large black eyes are another distinctive feature. Some speculate that these could be an adaptation for low-light environments, or perhaps they provide the grays with a wider field of view or enhanced visual capabilities. The small stature and enlarged heads of the grays are also intriguing. Could this suggest a different evolutionary path where intelligence is favored over physical strength? Or perhaps their small size is an adaptation for space travel? As you can see, even the basic descriptions of gray aliens raise a lot of interesting questions about their biology. But remember, these are all theories and speculations based on anecdotal evidence. Until we have more concrete evidence, they remain fascinating possibilities to consider. Let's consider the idea that gray aliens might not be biological organisms at all. Instead, they could be biological robots or artificial intelligence. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But let's delve a little deeper into this theory. The concept of biological robots, or biobots, isn't as far-fetched as it might seem. In fact, scientists here on Earth are already exploring the possibilities of creating biobots using biological materials. The idea is to create machines that can perform tasks in environments where traditional robots might struggle. Now, imagine an advanced extraterrestrial civilization with technology far beyond ours. It's not too hard to imagine that they might have developed biobots of their own. So, how does this relate to gray aliens? Well, some theorists suggest that the grays we hear about in close encounter and abduction stories might be these biobots. They could be designed for space travel, exploration, and even interaction with other species, like us. Their consistent descriptions could be because they are all built to the same specifications. As for the artificial intelligence theory, it's closely related to the biobot theory. The idea is that the grays might be machines powered by advanced AI. This could explain their emotionless demeanor often reported in encounters. As AI, they could be programmed to carry out their tasks without the need for emotions. This theory could also explain why the grays are often reported to move in a mechanical, coordinated manner. As AI-powered machines, their movements would be precise and efficient, just like a well-oiled machine. Again, it's important to remember that these are just theories. We don't have any concrete evidence to support the idea that gray aliens are biobots or AI, but it's a fascinating concept to consider, isn't it? It broadens our perspective on what life beyond Earth might look like and challenges our preconceived notions about life and intelligence. So, while we can't confirm this theory, it certainly gives us a lot to think about. Now, let's take a leap into the future with our next theory. What if gray aliens are not extraterrestrial beings at all, but rather humans from the future who have mastered the art of time travel? Sounds like a plot twist in a sci-fi novel, doesn't it? But let's explore this theory a bit more. The future humans theory suggests that the gray aliens we hear about in Close Encounters and abduction stories are actually our own descendants from the future. According to this theory, humans in the future have evolved or genetically engineered themselves to have the characteristics we associate with gray aliens: the small bodies, the large heads, the gray skin, and the big black eyes. But why would future humans look like this? Well, some suggest that these changes could be adaptations to a changed environment or lifestyle. For example, the large heads could indicate an increased reliance on intellect over physical strength, while the small bodies could be a result of living in confined spaces, like space stations or spacecraft. And what about the time travel part? Well, the theory suggests that these future humans have developed technology that allows them to travel back in time. They visit us in their spacecraft, leading to the UFO sightings and abduction stories we hear about. Now, I know this theory might sound a bit out there, but it's an interesting one to consider. It challenges our understanding of time and evolution and opens up exciting possibilities for our future. However, just like the other theories, we don't have any concrete evidence to support this one. It remains a fascinating idea to ponder as we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe. Let's move on to our final theory, which is perhaps the most intriguing of them all. What if gray aliens are not entirely alien or entirely human, but a mix of both? This is the essence of the human extraterrestrial hybrid theory. This theory suggests that gray aliens are the result of genetic engineering, combining human DNA with extraterrestrial DNA. The idea is that an advanced alien civilization has the technology to manipulate genetics to such an extent that they can create hybrid beings. But why would they do this? Well, there are several possibilities. One idea is that the Greys are creating hybrids as a way to ensure their survival. If their species is dying out, for example, they might use human DNA to create a new, hybrid species that carries on their legacy. Another possibility is that the Greys are creating hybrids for research purposes. By studying the hybrids, they could learn more about human biology and evolution. This could provide them with valuable insights into life in the universe. The human extraterrestrial hybrid theory raises some fascinating questions about life, evolution, and our place in the universe. It challenges us to think about what it means to be human and how we might interact with other life forms in the universe. However, as with all the theories we've discussed, it's important to remember that these are just ideas based on speculation and anecdotal evidence. We don't have any concrete proof to support the human extraterrestrial hybrid theory, but it's a fascinating concept to ponder as we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe and our place within it. So, keep an open mind and keep exploring. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Each of these theories offers a unique perspective on who or what gray aliens might be. They challenge our understanding of life and intelligence and open up exciting possibilities for what might exist beyond our planet. From beings from distant star systems to advanced AI, from time-traveling future humans to human-alien hybrids, the theories about gray aliens are as diverse as they are intriguing. But remember, these are just theories. While they're based on anecdotal evidence and speculation, we don't have any concrete proof to support any of them. Until we have more evidence, they remain fascinating ideas to ponder. If you like what I do in here, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you have some anime that you'd like me to cover, write it down in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.